The pigeons and their unity. One day in a jungle, a hunter saw a flock of pigeons on a tree. He quietly threw some nuts on the ground. He then spread a net on the nuts. Soon one of the pigeons saw the nuts and dived to eat. The other pigeon also followed. After eating the nuts, when they tried to fly away, they found that their feet had got stuck in the net. They got worried and started shouting for help. Help! Help! Suddenly, one pigeon had an idea and said, when I count three, all of us should start flapping our wings and fly together. The pigeons were not sure how this would help, but they all agreed. The hunter, who was standing behind a tree, laughed and came towards the net. Seeing Hunter came closer, the clever pigeon cried, "One, two, and three! Let's fly!" All of them flapped their wings together, and soon they were flying along with net. The hunter was shocked. Not only did he not catch any pigeon, but he also lost his net. Getting far away, the pigeons came down to a helpful mouse. He soon cut the whole net. The pigeons were free. The pigeons got their freedom because of their unity. Moral of the story is unity is strength. Thank you so much students for watching this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press hype button. Okay, bye. Take care. We will visit again in the next video.